Hey guys, it's Katie from Cerebrum Studio, and today I am going to be talking to you about the best software for creating videos in multiple aspect ratios. Are you a content creator who creates content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, maybe even Facebook? If so, then you will likely know the dilemma of filming a video and then wanting to upload it to multiple different social media channels, but not being able to do so because of the different aspect ratios that are required for each social media channel. So for example, with YouTube videos support a horizontal format. So videos are typically landscape, just like this. Whereas on TikTok or Instagram, videos are either vertical or square shaped. So the dilemma is, how do you then create a video that can be used across all social media platforms without the quality being disrupted in any way? The prospect of filming a video and then filming it 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6 times just to put across your different social media channels can be quite daunting. However, Cerebrum Studio has you covered. Film whatever video you want to film in whatever aspect ratio you want to film it in. Then you simply upload it to the video editor on cerebrum.com, and Cerebrum takes all the work away from you. You can immediately transform your videos to all aspect ratios required at the click of a button, thus freeing up a lot of time for content creators and video editors. Cerebrum allows your video to be transformed into 4 different aspect ratios versus the 1 aspect ratio that you are currently using. You can create videos for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, LinkedIn, whatever you need. It has it all on the website, and all you need to do is click a button and it will automatically transform the video that you work so hard to film into all of the different aspect ratios you need, so that you can repurpose your content across all of your different social media platforms at no extra time to you. I know what you're thinking, this sounds too good to be true. There must be some sort of quality trade-off. Not at all. This software has been built with generative AI technology. So what that means is there's a tracking device built into the software. If you've got something in the frame that you want to make sure is always in the frame of every video, whether it's a horizontal video, a vertical video, a landscape video, a square video, a semi-vertical video, it will always be in the frame. Say for example, you have a speaker in the video, much like this one. When you upload your video to the video editing software, you'll be able to click on a tracking device, select what you would like to track in the videos. No matter what the video is to start with, it will always keep that person or that object in the frame, no matter what size or shape it becomes. There can be difficulties transforming a horizontal video into a vertical video, sheerly due to the lack of space in a vertical video in comparison to a horizontal video. What's happening with all of this excess information and visuals if you're just condensing it into a vertical video? This is why the tracking device exists. If you want to keep something in the frame, you just simply select it with the tracking device and it will always follow that person to make sure that when you transform your video, it's focusing on exactly what you want it to be focusing on. Let's take a look at the video editor in action. After you've uploaded your video on the very first page, you'll then be able to use the purple box on this page to completely transform the size and shape of your video to the correct aspect ratios that you need. The one video that you upload into the editor, you will then be able to transform for all social media channels. You simply drag the purple box to the size that you want the video to be. You'll see in the upper right hand corner inside the purple box that there are different icons depicting which social media channel this size can be used for. So we've got Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, pretty much every social media channel that you can post to, and it shows you what size you need in order to be able to upload it to that website whilst maintaining the high quality of your video. You can also see a comparison, a side-by-side view of what your original video looked like and what the transformed video is going to look like in the new aspect ratio that you've selected. This also shows you how the tracking device works. So if you have something in the video that you want to make sure is kept in the video and isn't removed from the video at all, you'll be able to see this in the new version of your video because it will show you exactly how it's being tracked. Once you're happy with what your video looks like, you'll then be taken to the actual video editing page, where here you can see all the different sizes that you've created: landscape, square, semi-vertical, full vertical, and you'll be able to make additional edits to your video if you wish. Here is where you can edit the audio, you can add text and titles, you can even add a voiceover, you can add music, you can cut the video. All you have to do is simply click on the little plus button on the bottom right hand corner, just where it says video, audio, voiceover, title and text and music, and here's where you can add a range of different elements to make your video much more dynamic. You can see an example here of me adding some audio. Decided in this clip that I want to keep the original audio, but I would like to add some music on top of this as well, just to make it a little bit more dynamic. Just doing this to give you an example of what you can do. Obviously you can't hear it right now because of this voiceover, but you can also edit the music that you've uploaded even further too. If you double click into the music box, you can actually edit where you want the music to be playing louder, where you want the music to be playing lower. Maybe, for example, if you have some talking in the video and you'd like the music to be playing at a lower volume whilst the person in the video is talking, you can lower it simply by dragging a circle to how loud you like the volume to be. Also showing you how you can create your own voiceover directly in the video editor, how you can add your own text directly in the video editor. Once you're all happy with the content that you have created, you can go to the review and publishing page here, and you can download the different aspect ratios that you would like for your social media. You can review them before you actually download them. Maybe you don't want to download all of the sizes you've created, maybe you do want to download all of the sizes that you created. It's completely up to you. All you have to do is click publish all, and these videos will be sent directly to the email address associated with your Cerebrium account. It really is that simple. So I would definitely encourage you guys to give this a try for yourselves. Looks great, doesn't it? You can head over to Cerebrium.com for a free trial right now. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can go and check it out. Please do let us know if you have any questions at all, and we'll be more than willing to help. Do let us know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, or feel free to drop us a message. You can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, any social media platform, and we are always posting tips and tricks for content creators and tips and tricks on how to improve your video editing, how to edit more effectively, and how to become a more efficient and professional content creator. Thank you so much for listening to this video, guys, and I will see you all very soon for a new one.